Alright, gang. Girl loving food on Chincoteague. I am outside Alioops. So, there's the old firehouse. This used to be the shore post business. And they're still doing the parking lot. I'm going to see if they are open. Let's go see. They said they were opening today at noon. So let's go see what's going on. And go on in. And they are open. Cool. I'm videoing. Is it okay? Okay. So this is Ryan. Ryan, the bowling. Everybody's question. Can you reserve the lanes or is it no? First come, first serve. Okay, so the bowling is first come, first serve. So we're going to look around. We're going to see what's happening here at Alioops. I am super excited. I'm not going to lie. This is great just from what I'm seeing. And next year you're adding food, right?
Still in the air.
Soon. Yeah, they're building. So, yes. But look at these prizes. So you're going to come in. You're going to buy buy everything you need to get like it's a card, and you get your card and all of this good stuff. So lots of cool prizes for the kids to win. Lots of cool games. Lots of cool games. So look at all of this. There's a child over here. I don't. Sorry. That's okay. So we got the claws. We've got some really cool games over here. Whack-a-mole. Break plate. I'm not sure what some of these games are. I'm old. Remember that. This Jurassic Park game. Skee ball. Okay, so you might find me here playing skee ball because I love skee ball or whack-a-mole. Pac-Man battle. Oh, cool. Check this one out. For all you Pac-Man lovers, this looks like fun. Okay, so let's go back up here. So duck pin bowling. Look at how cool they did this place. This is awesome. It doesn't even look like the same places. This is some kind of game you can play with all your friends. Let's back up some. So here's your bowling, your duck pin bowling. So you can first come, first serve. We'll get pricing here in a minute for everything. And then, actually, what is this? Okay, so this is the self-serve eye-teller. So you can prepay and get vouchers, redeem coupons or vouchers, all that good stuff. So this is how you can get some coupons. And there's also a lady here that can help you, or a worker will be here to help you. So these are some of the games. Air hockey table. More claws. Popeye. Oh, that's one of those. Okay, that's pretty cool. Another claw. We've got nitro trucks. We've got a Jurassic Park game over here. Guys, this is so exciting. I love this kind of stuff. It reminds me of my favorite place in Delaware, Funland in Rehoboth Beach. And Power Drop Extreme. Not sure what that is, but somebody's playing it. There's the nitro trucks. There's a basketball. And then you can play with your friends and Connect 4 basketball. Well, that's pretty cool. Connect 4 hoops. That's actually pretty cool too. So yeah, there's lots of fun happening here. Alioops. Let's go find out what their days are going to be and their hours. And we're going to, talk a little bit to somebody. We're going to go back to Ryan. I see my buddy Ryan again. All right, Ryan, I need you again. So tell everybody, how's this all going to work? What are your days and hours?
So right now, Sunday to Thursday, it is 12 to 11. Friday and Saturday, 12 to 12.
Wow. Okay. So late night for those fun nights out. Okay. And the games, they buy vouchers, or how does that work?
So basically, for the eye seller over here, very, very self-explanatory. You just buy a card, however many cards you're going to choose to do. Different increments. So these are just going to issue cards with credits.
Okay.
So if you say $5, check out, cash, credit, it's all right through here, and everything is through a card. There's no cash flow, there's no tickets, tokens, it's all electronic.
Oh, cool.
Very, very easy.
Yes, sounds like it. Okay, great. So Alioops, across from the old firehouse. You want to come here, guys. I am so excited because this is something for rainy days. This is something for fun. This is a date night. I mean, duckpin bowling date night. Oh, absolutely. I am so all about that. So check my little sticker out. So let's go see. I'm just going to help myself up here. So let's see here. You can select the graphic. Really? Okay, let's see here. All right. So this is next. All right, player 1. So you can change your name and put your name in there. Okay, so I meant to ask him how much. Oh, okay, so there it is. It's 16 credits to play duckpin bowling. So guys, date night, fun nights out. You need to come. AlleyOops Express, across from the old firehouse. Girl loving food on Chincoteague. I'm excited that this is going to happen here, or it is happening here. So come on out. See what's going on at AlleyOops Express. You will love it. All right.
If it's a family, just one card is enough. Sorry, I didn't even know if you worked here. I kind of just wasn't sure who to ask. I guess I'll figure out maybe I'll buy it here. Maybe I'll buy it too. Yes, so the kids can play. Oh, hi! Oh my goodness, I was just thinking about you. My mom was like, oh my.
Okay. Deanna now has an AlleyOops card. I got $5 worth. And let's go. I think I'm going to go play skee ball. Because skee ball is fun. So, yeah, let's do this. All right, where'd my skee ball go? Oh, yeah, this is great. Oh, by the way, hot days, AC in here is pumping, and it is nice. Okay, I lost my skee balls. All right, where did the skee balls go?
Nice, it's just open today?
Today, just opened like 15, 20 minutes ago. Yeah. All right. You know what? No, you know what? We're going to do duckpin bowling. Can't even spell my own name. All right, up, there we go. Alright, so it looks like you swipe your card here. Alright. Alright, we're going to do some duckpin bowling. You're just going to see me do one. And yeah, I'm going to do duckpin bowling, guys. I'm putting all my stuff down. Alright, duckpin bowling, here I go. See, you got a little ball. Got her. All right, let's try again. All right. Not bad, not bad. All right. All right, so I'm gonna go play my duckpin bowling. Come on out. AlleyOops Express, guys. Just what Chincoteague needs. A fun place, date night, duckpin bowling. Who wants to join me? Girl loving food on Chincoteague. Okay, so I've never been duckpin bowling before in my life. Oh my God, this is so much fun. And I'm playing by myself. So here's my, yes, I stink. I haven't bowled in many, many years. So first time duckpin bowling, my score is 68 going into the 9th frame. Definitely something to get used to, but this is so much fun, guys. So yeah, you need to come on out and have fun out here. This is such a great business. I'm so glad they're here. So I'm gonna finish playing my game. You wanna follow me? Let's see what we can do now. Okay, not bad. So I left 2 total. Alright, and they're attached by string, so it's really cool to watch them go up and down. So here we go, my final 2 throws. See, I need to go in that lane. Alright, my final throw. Gutter ball, look, gutter, 0, that's me. Alright. 6 pins, my final score. My final score is an 82. Not bad. Okay. Alright. So, and look how cute the little balls are. Okay. So, girl loving food on Chincoteague, guys. You need to come out here. Oh, and there's my final wrap up of everything. So, yeah, AlleyOops Express. Definitely need to come. Have a great day.